we're going.
Uh-oh.
Boom.
Share the love.
Woo!
He actually probably could have made it there by the time we got
Well,
on. It kind of took.
If he just goes over on the other side by the exit, we should be. Whoa!
I know, but we got splashed.
Kind of got hit the moon.
Here we go. Well, Mom and Dad's gonna get it.
Oh, my feet just got wet. Especially if you have
He has a nice dog, hasn't
Right. That's good. Oh. You know, last Saturday I went to Six Flags. I met up with some other YouTubers at our Six Flags, and it was rain. I mean, it was pouring down that morning.
Oh yeah.
You know,
This is,
so we were like,
like the waves.
so we decided to meet up around noon, and we got there at the park. It was cloudy for like maybe a half hour, and then it got sunny and warm, and
Yeah.
it ended up being just absolutely fantastic. Oh!
Where's the turtle?
It's up around this corner, right here.
That building right there. Yeah, there it is.
Oh, now we're going.
Uh-oh.
Now we're doing
Did it get you?
Yeah, we're doing a splash.
Too bad this don't spin to where you can spin it.
Right, yeah. Although this is doing a pretty good job on its own.
Yeah, now it's going.
Oh!
I got my butt's wet.
Oh, that one got me.
Everybody's getting it.
That was sweet.
I got 4 nights.
That was fun.
For me,